Okay, here's one. How much of an alloy that is 10% copper should be mixed with 600 ounces of alloy that's 80% to get an alloy that is 40% copper? Do we need to see this one? It's the same. It's the mixture problem. But now we're just using alloy instead of coffee or candy or anything else. It's the same process. Do you guys want to see this one, or are you good? Yeah? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So you've got 10%. You got 10%. Okay, which is going to be 0.1. All right. How much of 10% copper? So we don't. That's the amount, right? We don't know that. That's x. So this is going to be 0.1x here, right? Should be mixed with 600 ounces of an alloy that is 80%. So what should we put for the second row? I'm gonna have you guys do this one. What goes here for percent? Well, this is, it's 80. So, okay, so it's 80. So that's 0.8, right? 80% will be 0.8 of 600 ounces, right? So it's going to be 0.8 times 600. So that's going to be 480. Okay? To get an alloy that is 40%. So that's 40%, right? Equals to, what is the percentage? Decimal? Point what? 0.4. Okay, now what about the amount? What's that going to be?
600 plus x.
Right, 600 plus x or x plus 600, either way. That's right. So this will be, now what do we write here?
0.4 times 600 plus x.
Right, 0.4 times 600 plus x. All right, so far so good. Now how do we write our equation?
0.1x.
Okay, 0.1x, good, plus
0.8 times
point,
600.
well, yeah, I already got that. That's
480.
480.
Equals. And you can distribute that. Right?
Yeah, we can go ahead and distribute that. So that'll be 240 plus 0.4x. Okay. So that'll be 240 plus 0.4x, and then solve right from there. Minus 0.1 x, and we get 480 equals to 240 plus 0.3x. That's right. Okay, so far so good. Minus 240, right. Minus 240. And we get 240 again equals to 0.3x. So divide by 0.3, right? And we get x equals to 240 divided by 0.3. And we get 800. Okay? So, yeah, x equals 800. So what does that 800 represent?
The amount of pounds of coffee or
Coffee amount of alloy at what percent?
10%.
10%, right. Amount. And that's ounces, in ounces at 10% copper alloy. Okay?